Okay, question number 3 is taken from a GCSE past paper, and it says Suzanne is considering buying a 12-month contract for a mobile phone. Okay, so again, we're going to highlight all the key information. So 12 months contract. She usually talks for about 130 minutes and sends 280 texts each month. Here are the deals of the 2 options she is considering. Both options offer the same free phone with a 12-month contract. Now that's important because we know that they have the same deal when it comes to buying the handset itself. Okay, so we've got 2 options. We've got option 1, forever text, and every month for 12 months, inclusive of VAT. Now this word, inclusive, means includes VAT. So the VAT is already included. Okay, so we don't need to add any VAT onto this. Now the other word that you might want to look for in other questions is exclusive. Okay, which means that VAT hasn't already been added on. Okay, but in this one it's inclusive, so it's included, so we don't need to do anything with this one. Okay, so the phone calls are 10 pence per minute and all the texts are free. Okay, so let's have a look how much this is going to cost Suzanne if we work it out. So I'm going to put option 1, I'm going to do forever text. Okay, so the phone calls are 10 pence per minute, and in the question it tells us that she spends 130 minutes on the phone. So we're going to have 130 minutes multiplied by 10 pence, which is going to give me 1,300 pence, which is £13. Okay, and all her texts are free, so total cost is just £13. Okay. On the other side, I'm going to work out how much talk time is going to cost. So let's have a look at talk time. So it says, every month for 12 months, 250 minutes free, 400 free texts, all for £12 per month, plus 17.5% VAT. Now we looked how to work out 17.5% in the previous question, so this is where now we're going to use that in a GCSE context. The first thing we have to notice is whether the minutes and the texts are covered. So she has 130 minutes, which is less than 250, and 400 texts, which is more than 280. So her criteria fits in with talk time, so that's fine. So we're going to start off. We're going to have £12 plus 17.5% VAT. So I'm going to split my 17.5% up again into 10%, 5% and 2.5%. So 10% we divide by 10, so to get £1.20. 5% is going to be half of £1.20, so 60 pence. And then 2.5% is going to be half of 5%, so 30 pence. So in total, 17.5% is going to be £1.20 plus 60 plus 30, which gives me £2.10. So we can have £12 plus £2.10, which is £14.10. So we can see that forever text is cheaper by £1.10. So to tell the examiner that I've worked it out correctly, I'm going to write at the end, forever text is the best deal. It is £1.10 cheaper. Okay, and that final sentence just sums up your question and it shows that you understand what it is asking you.